Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a realistic cherry on some water drops on it and a different water drops, and I'm trying to bring the realistic shade here. I'm using 2B for outline and 4B and 8B pencils for darker shades. For highlights, yeah, I'm using white gel pen, and for blending, brushes and paper stamps. So if you like it, then please watch it till the end, and please make some comments on it so that I can draw a much better picture in future. Your best wishes will always help me to draw a better picture. So please watch the video till the end, and if you dislike it, then also make some comments so that I can improve my drawing. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you like it. Thank you so much.